Physical Education Compulsory Paper of OSTT. Question number 41. Name of the fitness test device to measure the anaerobic endurance. The right answer will be option C. Then question number 42. Which one of the following is the correct logical order of the observational learning process according to learning theory of Bandura? The right answer will be option D. Then question number 43. The Arjuna Award is presented with. The right answer will be option D. Then question number 44. Which of the following is not the possible cause of second wind? The right answer will be option A. Then question number 45. Overload in sports training relates to when? The right answer will be option C. Then question number 46. Malaria is a seasonal disease and its maximum prevalence is during which period? The right answer will be option. Then question number 47. Which knot is used for life saving? The right answer will be option B. The factor program activities affecting organization of camp and its outcome includes. The right answer will be option C. Then 49. What is the function of centrosome? The right answer will be option C. Then question number 50. Duration of warming up depends upon which of the following factors? The right answer will be option A. Then question number 51. The ability to overcome a resistance with a fat contraction is called which type of strength? The right answer will be option B. Then which of the following factor is considered to be most important in the construction of an indoor gymnasium? The right answer will be option C. Then question number 53. The muscle which move the shoulder from the following areas? The right answer will be option D. Question number 54. In a company, internal auditor is approved by. The right answer will be option C. Then which is not a technique to assess the strength and weakness of a physical education teacher? The right answer will be option A. Then 56. Activity flexibility refers to. The right answer will be option A. Then which of the following is not a classification of combination tournament? The right answer will be option B. Then question number 58. Physical education is the sum of men a physical activity selected as to kind of conducted as to outcomes. Who said this? The right answer will be option C. Question number 59. Fitness index score can be measured by. The right answer will be option C. Then the quality of creating an attitude of mutual trust in coaching sessions is included in which type of the qualities that experts found to be important in good coach? The right answer will be option D. Then question number 61. It is said that a good heart and brain reside in a good health. According to you, which quality is suitable for a good mental health? The right answer will be option D. Then question number 62. Which of the following is the main thinking part of human brain? The right answer will be option B. Then 63. What is the length of the standard running track? The right answer will be option B. Then 64. According to whom? It is the timetable that supplies the framework within which the work of school proceeds. It is instrumental through which the purpose of school is to function. The right answer will be option A. Question number 65. When and by which country were the first Asian Games organized? The right answer will be option D. Question number 66. Which of the following will not come under the merits of true false questions type of test items? The right answer will be option B. Then 67. Which of the following method is based on learning by doing theory? The right answer will be option B. Then practice of deep insight into meaning and purpose of all things comes under which outcome of physical education? The right answer will be option B. Then question number 69. The main organizational structure that Henry Mintzberg. Question number 69. The main organizational structure that Henry Mintzberg management theorist identified are. The right answer will be option B. Then recommended idea value of pH in case of swimming pool water is, the right answer will be option C. Then which of the following sentences defines the speed of action, the right answer will be option D. Question number 72. The ability to maintain one's equilibrium while the body is in motion is known as, the right answer will be option D. In which year did Deaf Olympic start? The right answer will be option A. Which of the following statements correctly defined strength? The right answer will be option A. For the athlete to maintain interested, motivated and to enjoy athletics, the coach must change the training environment regularly. This comes under which specific principle of training? The right answer will be option C. Question number 76. Which type of tournament provides maximum number of opportunities to the teams to display their best performance? In fact, there is no element of chances and the real winner is picked up easily at the end. The right answer will be option B. Then question number 77. Customized equipment refers to equipment that is, the right answer will be option A. Then according to whom the objectives of physical education listed by various physical educationists can be incorporated under the following four headings? The right answer will be option A. Then what is the length and breadth of a basketball court? The right answer will be option A. Question number 80. What is meant by sensitive period in child development? The right answer will be option B. Then how many sports disciplines are there in Khelo India Games? The right answer will be option C. Which type of circuit training, jogging or walking or slow running is done instead of rest in between exercises? The right answer will be option D. Then the training program which develops the techniques and abilities required for a specific event or activity refers to which principles of sports training and conditioning? The right answer will be option B. Then question number 84. Which of the following is not correct regarding the blood vessels? The right answer will be option C. Then which is not a qualitative assessment in physical education? The right answer will be option D. Then water makes up about -% of our body. The right answer will be option D. Then an athlete weighing 60 kg would require which amount of energy per day in calories? The right answer will be option D. Question number 88. What is the study of human mobility which includes the athletes, sports equipment and the exercise environment? The right answer will be option B. Then question number 89. In terms of transfer of learning, the effect of mother tongue in learning correct pronunciation of a foreign language can be termed as? The right answer will be option B. Then who is credited with introducing and popularizing continuous training method? The right answer will be option A. Then question number 91. Joints between the carpal bone and between dorsal bone are called? The right answer will be option D. Then question number 92. Extramural competitions. The right answer will be option B. Then question number 93. The concentration of acidity of blood depends upon the presence of? The right answer will be option D. Which type of exercise use specialized mechanics to help the body perform certain movements at faster speed? The right answer will be option C. Then which training method lays emphasis on both aerobic and anaerobic system? The right answer will be option C. Then muscle fatigue is caused due to? The right answer will be option B. Then question number 97. How the secretary of the intramural committee is selected or elected? The right answer will be option A. Then question number 98. How many byes in a fixture in a knockout tournament will be given of 19 teams are participating in a tournament? The right answer will be option D. Then question number 99. Risk management is one of the critical functions of sports event management. Which of the following is not a type of risk management? The right answer will be option B. Then the body-mind relationship was first formulated by? The right answer will be option B. plateau.